Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Do you need more ideas on how to cook a simple, easy, delicious dinner? Well, tonight I'm going to show you how to make just that. A simple, easy, delicious satay peanut curry chicken. We have here in front of us 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I use coconut oil, but you can use any cooking oil you have at home. 4 cloves of garlic minced, 2 lemongrass cut into 4 pieces, 2 medium onion minced. I use the mini food processor to mince it, and 2 cups of my homemade satay peanut sauce. You can refer to the previous video on how to make them, or else you can buy store-bought one, but it's so much more expensive to buy the one in the store than making your own. The recipe that I have will make up to 1 liter, which can keep for a number of weeks in the fridge or freezer. We have 1 cup of water, 6 medium potato cut into quarter, 1 kilo of chicken breast, 2 cans of coconut cream, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Salt and sugar is to taste. And for garnishing on top, we have here coriander leaves and chopped peanuts. The chopped peanuts is about 70 grams. So let's get started. Firstly, we are going to heat up the pot on medium high, and then we're going to add in the cooking oil. Then we're going to add in the onion, and the garlic, and we're going to stir that until it's slightly brown. Once onion and garlic are softened and lightly brown, we're going to add in the satay sauce. If you like it hotter and spicier, you can add in chili powder now if you want it more spicy. Otherwise, this is a medium to mild curry. Then add in the lemongrass, and we're just gonna fry this for about 3 minutes. Then we're just gonna add in the potato and the water, and just going to stir them in. We're going to let this potato boil and soft before we add in the chicken. Once this boil and the potato is soft, we can add in the coconut cream. So about 20 minutes or until the potato is soft, just add in the coconut cream, and then once it's boiled, we can add in the chicken breast. So now it's boiled, we can now add in the chicken. Stir everything in. I'm just going to let it boil, and then we can add the seasoning, the salt and the sugar to taste. So now we just checking that it's already boiled. We're just going to add in the seasoning, the salt and the sugar. And I'm just going to taste and see whether we need to add more. teaspoon of salt. Now it tastes delicious, so you can just switch off the heat and ready to serve. So here is our Satay peanut chicken curry. We can serve it with rice and your favorite vegetable or salad, and we can garnish with the coriander leaves on top. And some peanuts on top if you like, or you can leave them out. Remember, if you want it more spicy, you can just add more chili powder. So I hope you enjoyed tonight's cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to see you again next time.